Picture this. You're staring at your blood test results. Heart sinking. Your biological age clocks in older than your driver's license says. I was there at 62. Tired all the time. Joints aching. Missing out on life. Then, after 7 months on Rejuvant, my test showed I'd reversed it by 8 years. Research on 42 real people backs this exact average drop. They used a DNA methylation test similar to the Horvath clock to estimate biological age. Today, I'm handing you the precise protocol. Supplements. Daily habits. Everything I did. Stick around. By the end, you'll know how to test yourself and start. Quick note before we go deeper, this is educational content based on published research and my experience. It's not medical advice. Always talk with your doctor before starting any supplement, especially something as powerful as Rejuvant or changing your routine. Have you ever dragged yourself through the day? Blaming age for that constant fog? Watching your grandkids zoom past? I knew a guy just like me. Let's call him Tom. 60-something. Skipping family hikes. His energy tanked by noon. Your body's like a winding clock. Rejuvant doesn't stop time. It rewinds the gears through epigenetics. Researchers tracked 42 adults taking Rejuvant, calcium alpha-ketoglutarate, or CaAKG, combined with vitamin A for men and vitamin D for women. After roughly 7 months, their biological age dropped an average of about 8 years, measured by a commercial saliva DNA methylation test. The statistics were extremely strong. The p-value was around 6.5 times 10 superscript 1 superscript 2, meaning the chance it was random is tiny. In one subset of the study, every single participant improved, with men averaging about 8.4 years back and women about 7 years. What most people get wrong? They call it a supplement fad. No. This targets DNA methylation, chemical tags on your genes that change with lifestyle and age. They pile up like rust, speeding aging signals. In the study, people who were biologically older than their actual age and those who were chronologically older saw the biggest wins. The statisticians even built a simple model. The drop in methylation age depended on your age and how far your biological age was from your real age at the start. Right now, test your baseline. Sit quietly. Check your resting pulse. For many people over 50, a typical resting heart rate is often in the 60 to 80 range, though it varies by fitness and medications. High and constantly racing? That can be an aging clue. Track it weekly. Mine dropped 8 beats after several months on Rejuvant, almost 1 beat per year I rolled back. That pulses your clock's tick. But rewinding it starts inside your cells. Where Rejuvant works its magic. My wife noticed first. She said, "Honey, you've got that spark from our 40s." I felt it too. Stairs no longer winded me. I caught myself playing tag with the grandkids instead of watching from the bench. Think of your epigenome as software glitches, accumulating over decades. Rejuvant helps reboot some of that software, without swapping out your hardware. CaAKG fuels cell energy pathways, supports mitochondrial function, and is a substrate for enzymes that influence DNA methylation patterns, which is why researchers suspected it could shift methylation-based clocks. In the 42-person study, estimated biological age plunged, from slightly older or equal to chronological age to on average over 8 years younger than their real age after treatment. Only 2 people in the whole group had a tiny increase, the rest moved in the younger direction. What people get wrong? Competitors mix AKG with random formulas or generic anti-aging blends. Rejuvant uses a timed-release CaAKG with sex-specific vitamins, A for men, D for women, because early data suggested men and women respond a bit differently. That's what was actually tested in humans, not any AKG from a bargain bin. Ask your doc, Can we check my DNA methylation biological age? You can use commercial saliva kits, some cost a few $100s, to get a baseline and retest later. You don't have to test, but numbers keep you honest. They did for me. Pause for a second. If you're still watching and this already hits home, you're clearly serious about not just getting older, but aging smarter. While you're here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, so you don't miss the follow-up videos where I break down Rejuvant, alternative options, and how to read your biological age tests. Your sub tells me to keep making deep dive, research-based content instead of shallow trends. Science lit the fuse. But the daily protocol keeps it burning. Here's exactly what I did. No coaching required. I was skeptical at 62. Another pill? I'd tried vitamins, joint formulas, you name it. But after week 4, my morning stiffness started fading. It wasn't a magic overnight flip. It was more like, that staircase felt easier today. Then, I made it through the afternoon without that heavy crash. Your routine becomes a daily tune-up for that inner clock. Take Rejuvant daily, consistently. Men's formula, CaAKG plus vitamin A. Women's, CaAKG plus vitamin D. The study participants took 2 tablets a day for at least 4 months, on average about 7 months. Follow the label and your doctor's guidance. Some people prefer with food to protect the stomach, others tolerate it fine on an empty stomach. Pair it with methylation-friendly habits, 30+ minutes of moderate exercise at least 5 days a week, brisk walking, cycling, swimming. Aim for roughly 60 to 80% of your estimated max heart rate, if your doctor says it's safe. Daily hydration, around 8 cups of water, adjusted for your body size, climate, and medical conditions. A plate that's more green and colorful than beige, leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, berries, olive oil. Gut support, fermented foods or a probiotic, if your doctor's on board. In the Rejuvant study, people used it for up to 4 to 10 months, and on average about 7 months seemed enough to saturate the benefit. The effect didn't keep increasing after that in a simple linear way. That's why I treated it like a focused 6-8 month protocol, not a forever crutch. What people get wrong? I'm too busy. I'll start when life calms down. Life never calms down. I made it work with 2 servings of greens a day, frozen or powder in a smoothie when I was lazy. 2 probiotic capsules with meals on most days. Short 10-minute walks after meals instead of scrolling on the couch. In the real-world data behind the study, adherence was high enough, over 80%, to see a clear signal. These were regular people, not athletes or lab rats. Week 1 challenge. Today, just log your water and movement. Nothing fancy. Circle a W on the calendar if you hit 8 cups. Star it if you moved 30 minutes. Then stand on one leg for 30 seconds, eyes closed. Wobbly? That's an aging balance clue. Retest monthly. Mine went from shaky to steady, about 20 seconds more stable, after months on the full protocol. Habits lock in gains. But life throws curveballs. That's where most people fall off. If you're still here, you're not messing around. You want results like that 8-year drop I saw and that the study reported on average. What comes next is the game changer most skip, making it sustainable instead of a 3-week burst. A friend, call her Sarah. Quit at week 3. Nothing's happening, she said. She expected a Netflix-style instant transformation. Months later she restarted, stuck with it, and her follow-up methylation test showed she'd shaved about 6 years off her biological age compared to her baseline. Her husband's only comment, "You're back to chasing the grandkids again." Rejuvant's like oil in an old engine. It doesn't swap the engine. It helps the parts run smoother. But if you skip maintenance, sleep, food, movement, it can only do so much. Let's be real for a second. This is one small, retrospective human study, 42 people, no placebo group, measuring a lab clock, not your entire lifespan. DNA methylation clocks are promising, but researchers still debate how perfectly they reflect true aging versus just repainting the markers. So see this as a powerful nudge, not a guarantee of extra birthdays. Gains in the study were strongest in people who were biologically or chronologically older at baseline. I personally maintained with a half dose after my 7-month intensive phase. My follow-up numbers and how I felt stayed roughly steady, no big rebound, but that's just me, not a controlled trial. What people get wrong? One size fits all. The data showed men and women responded a bit differently, about 8.4 years on average for men, about 7 years for women, on that methylation test. That's why there are separate formulas. Not for marketing. For biology. Here's how to have a grown-up conversation with your doctor instead of sounding like you're chasing a fad. Can we talk about my biological age versus my calendar age? Here's the study on CaAKG and Rejuvant in the journal Aging. Can we look at whether this might fit my situation? If not Rejuvant, what are your preferred tools for slowing biological aging, exercise targets, blood pressure, glucose, sleep? Track your own soft markers weekly, energy on a 1 to 10 scale. How many stairs you can climb before you're winded? How many seconds you can stand on one leg, eyes closed? Sleep quality from 1 to 10. In recap, test a baseline if you can, resting pulse, maybe a methylation age kit. Talk with your doctor. If you both agree, take a gender-specific Rejuvant formula daily for 6 to 8 months, alongside exercise, hydration, greens, and gut support. Push through the nothing's happening weeks. Track symptoms and, if possible, retest your biological age. You might see reversals like the average 8-year shift reported in that 42-person study. No promises. Just a better shot than doing nothing. If you've ever stood up too fast and had to grab the wall, type me in the comments. Have you felt that midday crash and just shrugged, guess I'm getting old? Share your story below. What's the very first step you're willing to try, testing, walking, or supplements? And if you've watched this far, you're exactly the kind of person I make these deep dive videos for. Do me, and this whole community, a favor. Hit like so more people over 50 and 60 see this instead of another empty miracle cream ad. Tap subscribe and turn on notifications, so you don't miss upcoming videos where we compare Rejuvant to cheaper AKG options, walk through sample lab reports, and talk about non-supplement ways to move your biological age. And drop a comment with the word rewind or tell me how old you feel versus your calendar age. Your story might be the nudge that keeps someone else from giving up on their own health. If this video helped you, hit the like button right now. It really helps more people find this information. Subscribe to the channel and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Share this video with someone you care about, sometimes one video can change a life. Drop a comment below and tell us what you think. We read and respond to every single comment. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. We'll see you in the next video.